In this presentation, we're going to look at the aircraft's fixed controls. In this first sequence, we are going to look at our aircraft's main primary controls. Now, an aircraft is considered to have three axes. The longitudinal axis running fore and aft along the fuselage, the lateral axis running from wingtip to wingtip, and the vertical axis running up through the centre of gravity. There are three planes of movement that take place around these axes. Pitching, controlled by the elevator, rolling, controlled by the ailerons, and yawing, controlled by the rudders. Now first let's look at our elevator. Now I want you to look outside the aircraft and notice the relationship of the nose to the horizon. It is just below it. When I move the control column forward, see how the nose drops down below the horizon, and inside you can see that the airspeed is increasing and we are losing height. When I pull back on the control column, see how the nose rises above the horizon, and inside we can see our airspeed is reducing and we gain in height. This then is the longitudinal control, so I'll now try again, put the nose of the aircraft into its former attitude and hold it there with the elevator. Now the next primary control we have is our aileron. Now when I move the control column over to the left, see how the left wing goes down and the right wing goes up. When I move it over to the right, notice the right wing goes down and the left wing goes up. This then is our lateral control. I'll again use the aileron to put the aircraft back into its lateral level at the same time, maintaining the nose attitude in relation to the horizon. Our final primary control is our rudder. Now again, look outside the cockpit window and choose a reference point towards which we are moving. When I apply pressure to the right rudder, see how the nose yaws away from that point. When I apply a pressure to the left hand rudder, notice the nose yaws away to the other side of that point. This is what we refer as yaw controlled by the rudders. This concludes our presentation of fixed controls.